guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today I'm here to tell you about A1 exam because the pattern has little bit get changed and they have basically get their own strictness in some things for A1 level. So I'm here with the updated A1 exam schedule and the whole pattern and the updates and tips and tricks which you can get very good marks in A1 level because A1 is super duper easy. Don't get panic. It's very easy. Just follow the tips and tricks and you are good to go. And let me tell you, for A1 your vocabulary should be very good. Your sentence structure, sentence formation, grammar knowledge should be very good, and you will easily get 90% plus. That's my promise to you, because German can normally student, each and every student gets 90 plus because A1 is super easy. So guys, without wasting time, let's go and start with it. So guys, let's start. So basically, if I talk about A1 exam of German language, basically a Goethe exam, then in this video I will be telling you some of the very important tips and tricks plus the whole pattern. I know you have seen my video earlier also on the particular topic, but this is something different because due to COVID, their things a little bit get changed. So yeah, let's go forward. So if I talk about Huron part, then Huron is for 20 minutes, approximately 20 minutes. So let's go for the tiles one. If I talk about tile one, then of course you can see on your screen that there will be three options. So A, B, C, which is A, B, C, and this audio will be per question. Suppose there is one question and you are having three options. So this audio will be played for you twice because it is zweimal. So two times it will going to play and you have to answer it according to the audio. Now, what happens is students get very confused that what exactly we have to listen. We have to listen the whole statement or we have to listen what? So let me tell you the very important tip and trick for tile 1 for Huron will be that you just have to read the which are the pointers, which are the options given to you. Suppose here you can see 2, 254 and 254, three options are there. Now you just have to remember that what you say this particular number in German, and you have to find it out these three numbers in your audio. Now maybe it happened that only one will be there, then you can easily find it out. Maybe it will be there that all the three will be there, then what you have to do? Then it's very easy. You just have to hear that with what number nicht or kind is not added. That will be your answer. So it is so simple. Just read the three options and find it out that three options only. And you are done to it. Let's talk about the next tile. Yeah, so tile 2. Tile 2 is played only for the one time. So one sentence, which means for that one sentence, one audio will be played only once. Now this becomes little tough because here you have to see the sentence is true or false. Now whether you will be getting a particular time to read that sentence. So whenever you are reading that particular sentence, please make sure underline the important word of that. It will help you to make sure that yes, this is a particular word which you have to find it out in audio and you will get the answer. Just you have to find it out again, nicht or kind is there according to your sentence and you are good to go. Let's talk about the next thing. So if I talk about tile 3 of Huron, this is the last tile for Huron part. So in this you are having three options and per question audio will be played two times. Zweimal. So in this you will be having three options and you have to read that three options and then you have to find it out then okay which one is matching to your. If it is something like all the three are there, then you have to find out for which one there is no nicht and kind as a prefix or a ending. So you just have to find it out and you are good to go. I think so Huron is clear to you. Let's go to the next tile. If I talk about next module, then Lesen and Schreiben will be coming approximately 45 minutes, the total part, and Schreiben is for 20 and remaining are for lesson. So it is super easy, and let's talk about first of all lesson. Okay, lesson tile 1. Lesson tile 1, what you will be getting, you will be getting one email type box, and there will be some sentences or the answers of any mail or something like that, and you have to find out the line which is given to you, is it true or false. Now what so people do mistake here, that they normally read the whole paragraph which is written there, and your time get wasted and it will be a problem for you. So my suggestion for you all my students is that you don't read all the paragraph, just read the sentence with the question which is given to you, which you have to see that this sentence is true or a false. If you are getting the total match of that particular sentence in the paragraph, then the sentence will be true, otherwise false. Very simple. Don't read the whole paragraph. That will only create a problem for you. Time waste will be there, and as it is a even level, so things will be line wise. There will be no random line. Suppose question 1 is from the end of the mail and something like that. So don't get confused. It is so simple and you can easily do it. Let's go to the tile 2. Okay, tile 2 is super duper easy. You are having two options, A, B. A and B. Now what you have to do, there will be one statement and there will be two advertisement box. Now what is advertisement box and what we have to do? So very simple. You just have to see that which advertisement is much better for your question. Maybe both will be accurate, both will be correct, both will work for your particular line, but you have to see most appropriate one. The most better one will be the correct answer. That's it. And very important thing, guys, please right answer will have a cross in a box, and box cross also a perfect cross, not like if suppose this is a box, then proper, no like that or nothing like that, proper box. Fine, you can see in your screen also. Let's go to the next thing. Now let's talk about tile 3. Tile 3 is super easy. You will be having a banner type or a poster type thing, and you will be having one statement, and you have to tell that this is a correct or wrong. Now what you have to do in such cases is you just have to read the particular line. If particular line is there in the banner or matches with the banner or a poster, then this will be correct, otherwise wrong. Don't read the whole poster and everything. It will be a time wasting thing. So I will not suggest you. I will just suggest you read the question and find that statement in your banner or poster, and it will be good for you. Is that okay? And I think so things are clearing to you. It will be much better and helpful for you, of course. So let's talk about next module, which is Schreiben. Schreiben is super duper easy. In that we are having two tiles. So let's talk about that. Tile 1 is super duper easy. Now what exactly you have to do is you will be having one paragraph and a box in which you will be having 5 filling the blanks with the question. So it will be one word question answer you have to basically do. Now how to find it out? There will be a long paragraph, and normally people do that they do read the whole paragraph, in which the 20 minutes which are given to you for the Schreiben will be wasted. So what you have to do? You just have to find it out. Suppose they are written, suppose I'm just giving you as a Beispiel, so Zoom Beispiel, I'm just giving you example. So if I talk about there is an filling the blanks, that what is the sister name? So you don't have to read it, you just see that where Swisher is written, Swisher and Nama, that's it, and you're good to go. And guys, one more thing, let me tell you, there will be some situation that there will be some new words in a paragraph or a fill-ups which you don't know. So don't worry, you just have to then and there you have to think that what can be, because when you read that particular sentence which will be there in a paragraph related to that, you will get to know, because even the level is very low, it's very easy. Don't worry, you can easily get a good marks in this. Let's talk about tile 2. In tile 2 there will be email writing. Email writing is super duper easy for the formal or informal things. If I talk about email, then my first suggestion is read the question very carefully. Second, Then first sentence, first word will be small, not in a capital one. So please do remember that, because that is the most thing which people do wrong. And I will suggest you one more thing, that all the 3 pointers which are given to you, just write that only. Don't write anything, because they will be checking your level, they will be checking your sentence structure, they will be checking your grammar. So be careful. Emails are super easy, and easily you can gain 10 to 15 marks in that particular thing. So yeah, all the very best. Alles Gute. Then in tile 1, it will be very easy. You just have to give your introduction. You will be getting one paper like you can see on your screen, and that you have to answer name, age, land, phone note, and very easy. This is a fixed thing. There will be no changes. So easily in this part you can gain the marks. Let's talk about tile 2. So guys, in tile 2, what gonna happen is there will be one thema and you have to answer it. Suppose thema is Essen and Trinken and the food is Frühstück. So thema is basically food and drinks, and your topic of sentence making is breakfast. Now you have to make a very easy sentence. Try to make very simple sentence with the subject plus verb plus object. That is the basic sentence structure which you can use it here, and you are good to go. Whether you can make question and answer, it will be best for you. Try to do not use modal verb in this, because if I talk about tile 3, in tile 3 you will be using modal verb itself. So let's go with the tile 3. So guys, in tile 3 you will be getting basically a picture. You have to identify that picture, and then you have to ask a question with using modal verbs. Can you give me, and such kind of questions. So sentence structure for modal verb will be subject plus modal verb with a conjugation of subject, then verb, then object, and then last there will be any verb. That can be regular verb, irregular verb, train barren verb, any verb. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any query related to even exam or anything you want to know from my side, then I'm here to tell you. Please comment in the comment section and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, stay happy. Bye bye.